Mingalaba.
Mingalaba.
I love learning about this culture. The people here are very friendly.
Mingalaba.
Hi everyone! Today, I am at the famous Inle Lake from Myanmar. Let's learn English together while we explore this beautiful place. This is Inle Lake. It is very large and calm. Now, I am getting on a boat. This is a traditional wooden boat. Look at the fisherman. His rowing style is very unique because he uses his leg.
The wind feels great. It is very fresh. Look, these are floating gardens. They grow vegetables on the water.
These houses are built on poles. It is part of their traditional style.
Mingalaba.
Mingalaba.
I love learning about this culture. The people here are very friendly.
Mingalaba.
The mountains and the water look amazing together.
Now I am eating Shan noodles. It is delicious. You should try it.
Watching them weave lotus silk is very interesting. I'm taking photos of this beautiful workshop and traditional wooden loom.
The sky is turning golden. The sun is almost gone. Our journey today was wonderful. I hope you learned many new words.
Thanks for learning English with me at Inle Lake. Please subscribe to Wisdom Bag for more. See you!